Hey, John here, we're out at a conference and we are with Francesca with Roof in a Bag, and she does something really cool where she has all the products ready to explain what components go on a roof. So since we put on a lot of Owens Corning roofs, tell our homeowners what goes on in Owens Corning full system.
Easy enough, okay? So the very first thing that we're gonna do is when we come and tear off your roof, we're gonna tear it off all the way down to the roof deck, and that's what this is gonna represent, okay? So this is the plywood. If you do plywood, you get plywood. Sometimes Owens Corning, you can use OSB, okay? From there, so go ahead and hold that out for me. That's my roof deck, okay? And once that roof is torn off, we're gonna go ahead and put down your underlayment, okay? And once the underlayment is down, you're gonna install that drip edge. Okay, it'll actually sit there as long as you keep it flat.
Oh.
Okay? And then from there, you're gonna put down your starter shingle, right? That's gonna help hold that field shingle down at the edge. Okay? From here, you've got your Owens Corning field shingle. This one's their Merlot color. Okay, there you go.
This is one of my favorite colors. It's rarely used in our market, but I love it.
It's pretty. I love the blues. Okay? And then once you get to the very top of the roof and you get to the peak, it's very important that you cut out and vent that attic space. So you're gonna have a shingle over, low profile ridge vent. And those nails that go through here are gonna be covered up and protected by their hip and ridge caps.
Which is the coordinating color hip and ridge cap in the Merlot as well.
Exactly.
Completing it, basically the crown on top to put it all together.
100%.
Francesca, I so love that you explain this for the homeowners. So this is the basic of what goes on in Owens Corning full system.
Yep.
If you've not set up a complimentary inspection to see what we can do for you, we want to help you out. All you need to do is call, text, visit the link below to set that up. We want to come out and check out that roof. Thanks, Francesca. I love it. All right.
You got it.